Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing in and navigating directly to events or tournaments. That gets you to the creation flow fast. Once there, choose Create Tournament and decide whether it's public or invite only, because that controls visibility and registration. Make sure to set the date and start time clearly, then choose the time control and whether the event is free or has an entry fee. These choices determine the player pool and dropout behavior, so pick settings that match your goals. Once done with basics, configure the format, Swiss, round robin, or arena, because format affects scheduling and how winners are determined. Make sure to set rounds and player limits, then define eligibility like rating ranges, team restrictions, or age limits to keep competition balanced. Also customize pairing rules and tiebreak settings, and enter prize details or badges so participants know rewards. These middle steps prevent disputes and ensure the tournament runs on autopilot. You're ready to publish. Share the tournament link and watch registrations roll in, approving invites if it's private. Once participants arrive, use the lobby to start rounds, monitor pairings, enforce fair play, and post results. These final steps keep the event moving smoothly. If problems occur, mismatched time zones, player cap errors, or pairing glitches, pause and adjust settings or recreate the tournament. Doing so resolves most issues quickly and prevents confusion during active rounds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.